Did you know that the top 1% of households own 40% of the nation's wealth? That's a staggering statistic. It paints a vivid picture of the economic disparity that exists in our society today. It makes you wonder, what are they doing differently? Are they just luckier? Or is there something more to their success? Did they win some cosmic lottery? Is it all just a game of chance? The truth is, while luck and inheritance play a role, the wealthy have a different approach to money. They understand the importance of financial education and strategic planning. They don't just work for money, they make money work for them. They invest wisely, diversify their portfolios, and seek opportunities for passive income. This isn't about greed, it's about financial freedom. It's about having the resources to live life on your own terms and to provide for your loved ones. It's about living life on your terms. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with financial security and the ability to pursue your passions without constraints. In this video, we'll dive into the secrets of the 1%. We'll uncover the habits, mindsets, and strategies that set them apart. We'll explore how they manage their money and the strategies they use to build wealth. From smart investments to effective budgeting, we'll cover it all. And the best part? These strategies aren't reserved for the elite. Anyone can apply them. With the right knowledge and tools, you too can take control of your financial future. It's time to ditch the outdated financial advice and step into a world of financial empowerment. Embrace the new era of financial literacy and independence. Are you ready? Let's go. Together, we'll embark on this journey towards financial freedom and success. Most of us are taught to save money, get a good job, and maybe invest in a 401k in the USA, ISA or SIPP in the UK. These are the basics of financial literacy that many of us grow up with, instilled by our parents, teachers, and society. That's a good start, but it's not the full picture. While these steps are important, they only scratch the surface of what it means to build true financial security and wealth. The wealthy understand that true wealth building goes beyond piggy banks and paychecks. They delve into the realms of investments, entrepreneurship, and strategic financial planning. They see money as a tool, a powerful force that can be harnessed to create more wealth. It's not just about earning and saving, it's about making your money work for you. They don't shy away from risk, they embrace it. They understand that without taking calculated risks, the potential for substantial rewards diminishes. They understand that calculated risks are the seed of substantial rewards. This means doing thorough research, seeking expert advice, and making informed decisions. This isn't about gambling your hard-earned cash on risky ventures. It's about being strategic and thoughtful in your approach to risk. It's about adopting a mindset that views money as a dynamic force, not a static entity. Money should be in constant motion, growing and multiplying through smart investments and financial strategies. It's about shifting from a scarcity mentality to an abundance mindset. This shift allows you to see opportunities where others see obstacles, ready to break free from the traditional financial mold. It's time to think beyond the basics and explore new horizons. Let's explore the strategies that can get you there. From understanding the stock market to real estate investments, from starting your own business to diversifying your portfolio, The journey to financial freedom is filled with opportunities. Traditional financial advice often feels like a restrictive diet. Cut back on lattes, track every penny and hope for the best. But just like crash diets, this approach is rarely sustainable or enjoyable. The wealthy understand that true financial freedom isn't about deprivation. It's about creating a system where your money works harder than you do. It's about building multiple streams of income that flow passively, even while you sleep. Imagine waking up to money coming in, not just going out. That's the power of passive income, and it's a cornerstone of wealth building. This could be rental income, business dividends, or royalties from a book you wrote. It's time to ditch the restrictive budget mindset and embrace a more holistic approach to managing your finances. Escaping the rat race, the 1% Playbook. This section will guide you through the strategies that the wealthiest individuals use to build and maintain their fortunes. The wealthy don't just work for money, they make their money work for them. They leverage their resources to create multiple streams of income, ensuring financial stability and growth. They understand the power of assets, which are things that put money in your pocket. These assets can range from real estate properties to stocks and bonds, all contributing to their wealth. Think real estate, stocks, and other investment vehicles that appreciate over time. Bonds, businesses, and other financial instruments that generate passive income are key components of their portfolios. On the other hand, liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket, like cars, expensive clothes, and other depreciating assets, or that fancy new gadget you need. These items may bring temporary joy, but can hinder long-term financial growth. The wealthy focus on acquiring assets while minimizing liabilities. They strategically invest in opportunities that promise returns and avoid unnecessary expenditures. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy the finer things in life. It's about balance and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. It's about being mindful of your spending and making sure your money is working towards your financial goals. Budgeting and planning are crucial to maintaining and growing your wealth. Remember, it's not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you keep and how hard it works for you. The true measure of wealth is the ability to sustain and grow your financial resources over time. Playing the long game. Patience pays off. One of the biggest mistakes people make with money is thinking short term. They chase quick profits, jump on the latest investment fad, and get scared when the market takes a dip. The wealthy, however, play the long game. They understand that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. They invest for the long haul, weathering the inevitable market fluctuations and coming out ahead in the end. Think of it like planting a tree. You wouldn't expect to eat fruit the day after you plant the seed. You nurture it, give it time to grow, and eventually it bears fruit. The same principle applies to investing. Patience, discipline, and a long-term vision are crucial for building lasting wealth. Your path to financial freedom starts now. Breaking free from the shackles of traditional financial advice can feel daunting, but it's a journey worth taking. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Start by adopting one or two of the strategies we've discussed. Maybe it's investing in your financial education, building a side hustle, or simply shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Every step you take towards financial empowerment brings you closer to a life of freedom and choice. A life where you're in control of your finances, not the other way around. Join the conversation, share your money moves. What are your biggest financial goals? What steps are you taking to achieve them? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and build a community of financially empowered individuals. P.S. Want more tips on how to manage your money like the 1%? Check out my other videos on personal finance. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.